Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some designer secrets on how you can arrange or place your decor to create a perfectly balanced home. We'll compare symmetry and asymmetry, two easy tricks that interior designers use to make any space beautiful. I am Arwa. I love sharing my design experience to make your home lovely on a budget. When we're decorating a space, we want everything to work well together. I know that feeling, wondering and thinking, how do I design my space like a designer? Been there, done that. That is where balance comes in. Achieving this balance is not that difficult, believe me. If you consider the design element, symmetry, which is the easier approach, you can place matching items on both sides of the room. It's an easy way to make everything feel tidy and put together. If you love a classic look, symmetry is perfect for creating that timeless and balanced look. In your living room, you can place two matching chairs by the fireplace or put the same lamps on both sides of the couch. And for your bedroom, try hanging two matching pictures above the bed, centering the bed and adding same cushions on each side. It's an easier way to make the room feel balanced and put together. It's easier, and that is what I love about it. You're using the same items to get the job done. It helps make the room feel spacious and stylish. It also creates a focal point that draws the eye and make the room feel more balanced. So if you want your space to feel calm and formal, this is a great way to do it. That being said, symmetrical balance does have some downsides as well. Because you're repeating designs, it can sometimes feel a little boring and too predictable. Your space can lack excitement or creativity compared to other styles. Creating symmetry in rooms with unusual shapes can be a bit challenging, especially when you don't have matching items. Plus, buying two of each piece can get expensive. Another way to achieve balance is by using asymmetry. This one's a bit more creative and flexible. It can be achieved by using different items that don't match but still look good together. Instead of having things exactly the same on both sides, just mix it up with different objects that still feel balanced. This style adds a sense of movement and energy, which we often see in modern homes. If that's your vibe, you can easily mix things up to create a cool, unique look. This is how you can do it. You can place a tall nightstand with a lamp on one side of the bed and lower dresser or small table with a plant on the other. Even though the nightstand and the dresser, they don't match, the similar heights of the lamp and the plant will keep the room balanced. And in your living room, you can pair a big couch with a chair on the left-hand side and a small side table with a lamp on it on the right-hand side. The chair doesn't have to match the couch, but it will still fit the room. And instead of hanging two matching paintings above the couch, use one large artwork to draw attention. You can place your TV on a stand across from the couch, add a tall plant for some greenery and make the space feel taller. One thing that I love about this style is that it makes any room feel fun and lively. It gives you that freedom to get creative because you don't have to use matching items or follow any strict rules. This style is perfect for highlighting any special pieces in the room, like a unique artwork or a standout piece of furniture that catches the eye. But it can also be a bit tricky to get it right. But I have learned over time that finding the right balance takes practice. And it's easy for a room to feel cluttered if you're not careful. But overall, this style is more relaxed than symmetry. So if you like more of a traditional look, it might not be the best fit. Symmetry feels calm and orderly, while asymmetry adds energy and creativity. So pick the one that fits your style. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more trades and tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.